Conrad, what's today? What's today? Is today the 4th of July? Oh my gosh, what is that? It's like water. What is that? Did you spill something? You're on video, Conrad. You're not taking a picture. No picture.
Not a picture.
Are you gonna light some fireworks today?
Yeah.
Really? Can you give the camera a kiss? Go like this. Say, I love NTM.
Yeah, you like them.
Thank you. Mm. Mm. Did you like seeing Uncle Matthias yesterday?
I don't know what to do.
Uncle Matthias.